Hey guys, it is the final day of Happy New Year 2020. I am just arriving to my office to show you number 10, which is actually number 1. So let's go in and take a look. And my number 1 website to share with you is Flipgrid. So many of you have already heard of Flipgrid, but I don't think very many people are using Flipgrid. So I wanted to highlight Flipgrid, and more specifically, last summer there was an update to Flipgrid called Flipgrid AR, which stands for augmented reality. So I want to share how you would do a Flipgrid AR in a minute, but also wanted to highlight Flipgrid. So I'm going to go ahead and just log in to Flipgrid using my Google account. And if you have never used Flipgrid, basically you create a grid or like a little space for your students to record video. So I have one right down here I just labeled as new. So when I open it up, this is where you can, put a prompt for students to record. So for this one, I just said, say hello on Flipgrid. So when we open it up, our directions are there. And then you can see that I created my own little video. So students will pick up on how to do this really quickly. If you'd like for me to come show you how to do Flipgrid with your class, please let me know. I'd be happy to come to your classroom and show you how. But let's talk about Flipgrid AR, that augmented reality. So in a second, I'm going to flip over to a video that I did using augmented reality just to kind of show you what it looks like, because you really have to see it in order to get an idea of what it is. But first of all, in my video, I'm going to tell you that you need the QR code. Here is the QR code for your class. So as they are done, you would print the QR code, and then your students could attach that to a project that they're currently working on that they made a video of. So let's say that they did a writing sample and they read their writing sample out loud into Flipgrid. You could print off those QR codes, attach it to their writing. Maybe it's hanging in the hallway. And then as people walk by, if they open up the Flipgrid app, they could scan it and see the student actually reading their video. So let me flip over to my short video to show you how Flipgrid AR works. All right, so this is how it's done. First, you need to make sure that you have the Flipgrid QR code already printed for the student. In the background should be a piece of the student's work, or if you are doing this as maybe a set of directions, you should have your directions written in the background. Next, you should have the Flipgrid app already downloaded onto your device. So all your student will need to do is go ahead and open up the Flipgrid app, and then go ahead and scan the QR code. And you'll see as soon as it's scanned, the video will pop up with the student background in the back. So you can see that I created a video, and you see that I have popped up, and this is the augmented reality that you would see. So this is a great tool that you could use, and very easy as well. So that was how you would create your own Flipgrid AR experience for your students. If you need help doing your first Flipgrid AR, let me know. It's actually a lot easier than maybe it looks. I have seen a lot of uses for Flipgrid AR all over Twitter. If you have an account, go on and look up the hashtag Flipgrid AR, and you will see a lot of teachers tweeting out different ideas that they have for Flipgrid AR. So that's it, Flipgrid AR, and also Flipgrid is my last website that I am sharing with you for our top 10. I hope you have enjoyed it. All right, well, I started this video walking into my office, and I'm ending this video actually in my office, wrapping up my top 10 apps, websites, and extensions that I wanted to share with you. So are there any that you have tried? Any that you are excited to try? And if so, drop me a line within the next week. So by January 24th of 2020, if you send me an email letting me know what you've tried or excited to try, then you just might find a little sweet treat put in your mailbox sometime soon. So once again, thank you so much for letting me invade your email box over the last 10 days with these videos, and also pulling me aside in the hallway when I'm in your buildings, letting me know which ones that you have tried, or many of you said that you have enjoyed these videos. So if you would like to see more like this, let me know that too, and I would be happy to share some other resources through video or email with you. So Happy New Year, and enjoy the rest of the month and the rest of the year.